Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Here we have a Fiat 500 and let's see where the OBD2 port is located. So if you see, there's a plastic cover under the steering wheel on the left side, so you just pull it out. You can find OBD2 scanner professional mechanic diagnostic tool in the video description below. Now you see the OBD2 port. If you have any suggestions about Fiat 500 new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.